Hey guys, 49er. Well, this video is to show what happened last night. Real bad storm came through. Did a real bad number on our town. Tore everything up. But thoughts and prayers are needed. Just found out, I'm editing the video right now, but just found out that the township came by my parents' house and condemned it. So I would say enjoy, but I hope you don't enjoy. But like I said, thoughts and prayers are going to be needed on this one, guys. Thanks for watching.
Me and my son were just down making plaster moldings of deer tracks and turkey tracks. And look at this. A storm just blew in and oh, there goes the power. Oh, back on. Oh, this is bad. These are huge hail chunks. Huge. Wow, that was crazy. The wind was blowing so hard the van would barely move. I'm shaking like a damn leaf. Holy cow. That's all hail. I just got done raking the lawn. Look at this. Oh, now it's all rain. Tucker, get back. Wow. I wish I could have got that whole thing on video. That was crazy. We got babies crying, mama freaking out. I'll show you the aftermath, I guess. Alright, back again. Wow. Look at that flood of water down there going. Look at this. Look at, here it comes. Let's go help it out. Break it up a little bit. Here she goes. Holy shit. That was crazy. I can't believe how much crap just came down. Look at this hail. I know it doesn't look big, but in the 3.5 seconds it took to come down, that sure was interesting. This is how fast this water is actually moving. It's like 65 degrees. I mean, right now it's freezing, but today was nice and warm and beautiful. Apparently not so much now. And there's where it came from. The kids keep wanting to come out and play in it. So I told them, I don't know where the tornado is, so you can't come out yet. Nice. Oh my God, you guys. This is horrible. A tornado just came through. All that hail that hit at my house. My mom called me as I was making the video, just hysterical, in tears. She sounded like look at, there's trees down. I just got off the phone with 911. Look at this. It's just natural gas. That's all you can smell for the last 3 miles everywhere. Either that or power wires just melting. But my mom is just devastated. I'm getting ready to cross the highway here, and as soon as I cross the highway, I'll be into their neighborhood. There's no power lights. This is a main intersection. My dad hung up on me. I just hope everybody's okay. My mom sounded very, very, very upset. I hope everybody's alright. We're almost there. Shit, they got the roads closed. Damn it. Some trees, look at, oh, I wish this was daylight. Look at the tree. That's a huge old tree. These are all, oh my God, there's trees everywhere. Oh, Lord, please. Oh my God, it's gone. Oh, look at all these trees gone. Oh my God. My mom and dad. Oh my God, look at these trees. I hope you guys can see these. Oh, power wires. Shit. Oh, look at these trees. Oh my God, their house is destroyed. Look at that oak tree down there. Oh my God. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh no. Oh my God. Hey guys, here's the first uprooted one. Look at that hole. My God. That would swallow my car. That's as taller than my car. Look at. It's this town is just devastated right now. This is my parents' street. This is the footage from the dark last night when I was. Oh my God! Look at this. Look at these trees. Look at the shrapnel. Their deck's gone. Whoa. Their house. The house is smashed. Looks like a war came through here. And that's my mom and dad's house down there. That's all you hear is saws. All these houses were built in the 20s and 30s. Took the side of this one right off. And that's my mom and dad's house with the tree hanging over the top of it. Is there anything for us to park when your Aunt Tilly and everybody's there too? Damn. Alright, we'll get some better footage in a second. The news crews are out there interviewing my mom right now. That's my bedroom when I was growing up. The whole ceiling in there's collapsed, the roof's collapsed. I'm sorry, I'm still shaking. It's been a really bad couple of hours here. Missed everything. And this is my dad. He's devastated right now. The neighbor's pine tree that came down and crushed the fence. The lilac bush is gone. Let's see what damage happened to the deck from that tree. Pick the deck up. I know you can't tell, but that's about 5 foot in the air. That's how upset he is. We just don't know what to do. The tree company's out here right now. They're saying $17,500 just to get the tree off the house. Oh, I'll go back and show you the foundation. The whole foundation shifted. It's cracked right there. It looks like it's starting to settle back now, but no, it's not. All the siding's pushed out about 2.5, 3 inches. You can see it there. Down there it's normal, all from there right through the gas meter. All the gas is shut off to the neighborhood right now though, so it doesn't matter. There's Fox 2 News giving my mom an interview. They're devastated. This is a big deal. There used to be oak trees out there along the lakefront, oak trees and pine trees that are all in the water now. But, Fox 2 News. It's a big deal. This is a big tree. I'm gonna go out the back. I'll be out there in a minute.
He wanted to go in the house. Oh, well, stop.
We got the whole neighborhood out here. Fox 2 News reporter. Yeah.
No, we would appreciate that.
This up here is where there was 3 cars trapped last night. The people were all stuck in the cars for, I think it was over an hour. Over an hour before they could rescue them. These are all 200-plus-year-old trees in this cemetery. There's graves in that cemetery from 1809. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, there's some from the 1700s, the late 1700s. So, but it took out everything. Oh man, oh my God, this is where the cars were trapped last night. I don't care. Those, I hate to say it, but that's about 5 feet of dirt, and those are going to start pulling up graves. Look at this. This is where the cars were trapped. They came right across the road right here. This is where one of them was trapped. Then the other one. And then the other one right there. Ooh, that's a big one. Back in a second.
That one right there.
Alright, we're coming down this other side of the street now. Come on, guy. This is the next street over. Some cars got broken, yeah, buddy. Oh, they've still got a trunk sticking out of the roof of their house, it looks like. Twisted the street light straight up in the air. Or on its side. Oh my God, look at that. Well, I think I might be going to get in the metal detector.
The sidewalk right up.
Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, there's even more down there. This is crazy. Alright, well, that looks like it. We'll go drive around another neighborhood and see what else we find.